YouTube has become the second largest search engine on the internet. But if you're not taking the advantage of it, you're leaving money on the table. Because after working with your favorite creators and helping them build their personal brands on YouTube, I've learned these 7 hidden tactics that will help you get more clients and grow your business. The first tactic that I'm going to talk about can be implemented by every single individual watching this video, which is turning prospects into paying clients. Imagine sending a YouTube video as a follow-up after your outreach. If your content is good enough for them to know, like, and trust you, the chances of booking a call, or heck, even closing them, are way higher. This is because it creates a sense of authority and a personal connection between you and your client. Now imagine that same video working for you for months or even years down the line. Which brings us to number 2. YouTube is an evergreen lead gen machine. Unlike Instagram and Twitter, where post disappears after a few hours, YouTube videos can generate views and leads for months or even years. For B2B businesses, this means a single video acts as a 24/7 salesperson, reaching potential clients across the globe, even while you sleep. This ensures you're always visible to the right audience. And speaking of the right audience, let's talk about the kind of people you'll attract on YouTube with the third tactic, generating high intent leads. YouTube attracts viewers who are actively searching for solutions, decision makers, professionals, and entrepreneurs. This means your content reaches high intent prospects who are already interested in what you offer, making it easier to convert them into paying clients. And when you start gaining these leads, it's time to think about the bigger picture, which brings us to the fourth tactic, building a scalable personal brand. Every video you post on YouTube works to establish you as an authority in your field. Over time, this growing library of content attracts better clients and more opportunities without you constantly hustling for new leads. Speaking of leads, the fifth tactic is the most interesting one. Imagine this, someone watches your YouTube video today and a week later they are stuck on a business challenge. Your advice pops back into their head and instead of going on YouTube, they reach out to you on LinkedIn, Twitter, or even through email. That's the beauty of YouTube. It doesn't just generate views, it builds trust and authority that sticks. You become the go-to expert they remember when they need solutions. This type of influence creates opportunities and connections that can't be tracked but are far more valuable than any direct click or call. Number 6. Turning time into trust with long-form content. There's a concept called the 7-hour rule, which states that approximately 7 hours of engagement is needed to convert a lead by building trust and connection. And YouTube makes this so easy. The more time someone spends watching your videos, the more they trust you. If a prospect binge watches even few of your videos, they're already sold on your expertise and your personality before they even reach out. This trust building happens on scale, turning viewers into loyal clients effortlessly. Number 7. Generating direct revenue from YouTube ads and partnerships. Consistent posting on YouTube generates revenue through ads, sponsorships, and partnerships. As your channel grows, you can monetize your content, turning your expertise into a steady income source while building your business. Now that you know the 7 core benefits of posting on YouTube, it's time to start implementing them and watch your business grow. Whether you're looking to turn prospects into paying clients, generate high intent leads, or build a personal brand, YouTube is the platform to make it happen. But even if you know the benefits of posting on YouTube, you now have to find a great idea, script it, film it, edit it, make a thumbnail and title, post it, do SEO, and there are a lot of tiny steps you need to do in order to book qualified sales calls from YouTube every single month. So if you want us to handle the process for you from start to finish and book 10 to 30 qualified sales calls every single month from YouTube, click the first link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.